Welcome back to Ride Review. Today, we're diving into a fresh new offering from Tesla, 2025 Tesla van. A perfect blend of utility, tech, and sustainability. It's designed to shake up the van market with a futuristic twist. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2025 Tesla van looks sleek for a van. Tesla didn't just give us a box on wheels, they've gone for aerodynamics. Front end is smooth with that familiar Tesla grille-less design, while the large panoramic windshield gives it a spaceship vibe. Sliding doors on both sides and a low step-in height make it perfect for families, ride-sharing, or delivery services. Step inside and you're greeted with a minimalist interior, a Tesla signature. The 15-inch central touchscreen is your command center, managing everything from navigation to entertainment. Up to 8 passengers can fit comfortably, and with the flat floor and modular seating, the interior is highly customizable. And don't worry, cargo space hasn't been sacrificed. There's plenty of room in the back and under the floor, thanks to the electric platform. Now let's talk performance. The Tesla van comes with dual-motor all-wheel drive as standard, offering instant torque and smooth acceleration. It can go from 0 to 60 in around 4.5 seconds. Pretty impressive for a van. Range anxiety? Not here. You get an estimated 300 miles on a single charge, with Tesla's ever-growing Supercharger network keeping you going on longer trips. Of course, it's packed with Tesla's latest tech. Autopilot comes standard, with full self-driving as an option. It also has over-the-air updates, so your van is always improving. Safety is top-notch, with features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. The 2025 Tesla van is more than just a van. It's a tech-savvy, eco-friendly people mover that doesn't compromise on performance. Whether you're hauling the family or running a business, this van is built to impress. That's it for today's ride review. Be sure to like and subscribe for more car insights. See you next time.